Hi guys, welcome to this brand new video. It's Camillus here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we are going to be converting this $100 that we see here using our Binance to be making 2,000 every 10 minutes. I know you are very surprised, but opportunities like this, you won't find it very common in Binance. So follow me in this video so that I'll be able to show you how you can convert this $100 here to 2,000 francs every 10 minutes. And the beautiful thing is that you will still have this $100 with you, and at the end of the day you can end up making up to 20,000 to even 50,000 plus. All right, so now if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the bell notification icon and comment in the comment section. Let's get that Binance money. So guys, this is Binance Arbitrage. If you are new to Arbitrage, then I guess you should go through my other videos on this channel so that you can see other videos which I have made about Binance Arbitrage or how to make money using Arbitrage system. So we are going to be taking advantage of this system this moment. So follow me right into the video and please subscribe. So before I get to the video, I have to tell you this. You have to be very vigilant with every step that I'm going to be taking so that you shouldn't miss any part. So the first thing you have to do is just to log on your Binance. So we are going to be using Binance throughout. And once you've logged into Binance, this is where you have to go into. You go to trades. So if you look right down here, you can see that we have this interface, this, and also wallet. So you click on trades. Once you are on trades, this is where you have to go to. You click right here, you come to P2P, which stands for persons to person. So we are going to be making this money using Binance P2P. Okay, so mind you, we have $100. So I am going to show you how you will be able to make 2,000 with this $100 in every 10 minutes. So once you are here on P2P, based on your country or depending on your country, you can see right here I am a Cameroonian. And if you see right here, you can see that right now at this moment of making this video, I can purchase $1 USDT for 643 francs, and also I can also purchase it for 662 francs. Now, depending on which time you want to do transaction, you will always have to come here and then look at the trade. So if we come back here, you will see that I click on buy. Now, once I click on the buy button, it will take us now to bring us to the interface where we have to buy. So in this case, we are going to be buying $100 worth of USDT. So let's put $100. Okay, but this store has put a minimum of 155 USDT. But in this case, what I want to show you is, you can see right here that $100 is giving us 64,300 francs. Okay, now I just have to add this money. So sometimes you look at the store, the price or the minimum order, the price of the person who is selling in this store is putting at okay, so 64,300 francs. So suppose that we were supposed to buy for $100, which we have right here, which I've already shown to you. This is $100. Then what you are going to be doing is just mark this price down, 64,300. You come now to your same account, you go to sell. It means you are going to be selling that $100 which we have purchased. And if you now come right here, you click on sell with this first person. Okay, you can go through to select anybody, but you click on sell here. This is what you are going to be seeing. So the first thing you are going to be seeing here is you come down to crypto and you put in, let me shift this up here. Now you put in the $100. Once you put in the $100, it is going to be showing you that we are going to be selling for 66,410. Remember, we were to buy for how much? That was supposed to be 64,300, right? 64,300. So if you go to your calculator in your phone, this is what you will see. Let me put this up here. So we take 64,300, we minus it from 66,410. So you can see that is the profit of 2,000 that we've just made just by using this simple method. Now, you won't have this all the time in your Binance. So depending on your country, I will advise that you should always come to into your Binance account and go to where you see this currency up here like this. Where you see currency there, always check it and then click here. Once you click it, you go to please enter currency. You go to search currency. You enter your currency depending on your country that you are in. And let me suppose that I am in Nigeria. I will just click on NGN and it will bring me, it will load and bring me up to the NGN interface. Okay, it's still loading. So it has now changed. So you always have to look at your own currency and your own exchange rate in your country to take advantage of those price differences in between the buy and the sell. And this is how you'll be able to make 2,000 francs. Now, this cannot or may not work for everybody at the time of recording of this video or at the time of watching of this video, but I guarantee you that there will be a day that once you have this and you have capital, you will be able to make money repeatedly. Because me buying and selling takes me not up to 10 minutes. So with that, you can do the transaction repeatedly and make a lot of money for yourself. In fact, let's just see if you can make 20K in a day. That's a very good pay. I know people that are working odd jobs that are making just 2K in a day. So guys, if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed the video and you also learned something new, then please consider subscribing. Click on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop in awesome videos like this one, you are going to be notified by YouTube. Okay,